In this video, I will show you how you can make Chime account under 18. Unfortunately, you cannot open a Chime account if you are under 18 years old. According to the Chime's requirement, all members must be 18 years old, a legal citizenship or permanent residence of US and have a valid social security number. However, if you are under 18, a legal guardian can open a Chime account with you as a co-owner. In this case, the guardian will need to provide their information such as their full name, social security number, ID documents, and contact information as well as your information. Here are some points to keep in mind. First is minimum age. The standard minimum age to open a bank account and get a debit card in most state is 18 years. So second is co-signer. For those under 18, many financial institutions allow a parent or legal guardian to co-sign or open a joint account. Alternative options, you can consider looking in the debit cards, specially designed for the kids and teens, often with parental controls. Some example mentioned are the Greenlight and Fidelity Youth account. These usually require a parent or guardian to open and manage the account, and it's best to wait until you are 18 to open a Chime account in your own name. In meantime, you can explore the options for teen focused debit card with the help of your parent or guardian.